Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 3, Scene 4. Mahomet said, "Well, spite of myself, I must, it seems, be made. A confidant, the simple girl betrayed. Her guilty flame, and innocently plunged the dagger in my heart. Unhappy race, father and children, all my foes, all doomed to make me wretched. But ye soon shall prove that dreadful is my hatred and my love." And of course, things go beyond that. One of the things about guilt and shame is that, you know, these things can build up. People figure, well, I can handle that for that. And, yeah. But situations try us. You know, God knows what sort of individual we are. But in order for that to be witnessed, then stuff has to go down.